Stop improvising and start innovating with Spika Design and Manufacturing. Completely eliminate fall risks as preferred by OSHA with Spika's engineered fall prevention work platforms. Reduce costs and save time and labor with intuitive, lightweight, easy-to-use designs that are virtually maintenance-free and require no PPE. Eliminate gaps with Spika's automatic locking slider decks that extend individually to provide seamless conformance to any contour. The transition from the deck to the deck extensions is nearly flush, and the extensions provide technicians the same support as being on the platform itself. Guardrails automatically extend with the slider deck to ensure safety compliance. Spika's tool-free detachable guardrails can be used interchangeably in multiple configurations to allow perfect access and prevent falls. Store excess rails conveniently on the deck. For complete fall protection, Spika incorporates telescopic guardrails to accommodate overhead obstacles or extend protection over equipment or from side to side. Reduce labor by half while raising and lowering a platform via Spika's linked jacks. For frequent height adjustment, electric actuation provides effortless control from the ground or on the deck, capable of vertical travel from 12 to 96 inches or more. Utilize electric actuation to lift, expand, or extend a deck to meet your access goals. Maintain OSHA compliance with Spika's quick latch adjustable stair modules that maintain consistent step distance at any height. Easily attach and release stairs from the safety of the ground without tools or pins, eliminating fall risk and FOD. Use stairs independently or reattach at multiple points for a flexible footprint. Only 1 or 2 people are needed to move it due to the lightweight aluminum structure on industrial dual disc casters that require 35% less force to initiate movement. Casters lock quickly and securely once in place. Additional stabilizing options are available. Achieve 100% fall prevention with work platforms customized to your needs for optimum access and conformance. Create one large continuous work surface or a complete wraparound system for simultaneous access on both sides. Integrate features specific to the job at hand or for improved ergonomics and efficiencies. Stop improvising and start innovating with access solutions tailored to your needs. Spika Design and Manufacturing provides the best designs in the industry backed by a 10-year warranty, 100% troubleshooting support, and customer satisfaction. View the full catalog of custom and all-access platforms, as well as aviation maintenance and support equipment at spikamfg.com.